What up guys, it's JVK-Pop here and I got another reaction to you guys. Now this is actually something that was suggested to me from one of my viewers, so thank you for the suggestion. This is the new Liquid track, Turned On. Now this is the second Liquid track I've heard before, so I'm really excited to see, follow up from what I heard last time. And let's just go right now. Liquid, Turned On. Ooh, you hear that sax? Dun, dun. Yo, I knew it was that beat. Ooh, they got that Ariana Grande beat. Okay. Woo. Woo. Bars. I'm about to homeboy's hair color though. What? Woo. Like homie just walking with him. Woo! Bars. Ah, I like that. Woo! Hey. Woo. Bars. Bars. Ah, grande shit. I saw what you did there. Woo. Ah. I like those backgrounds. This is a really cool take on the song. Ah, yo, killing it. I like that. Woo. Bars. Bars. Woo. 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 Yo, the Koreans are going in on the hip-hop, man. And they get slept on, too. Ooh, introducing that auto-tune in there? Okay. Woo. Ooh, okay. Lick this liquid. AKA drop it. Let's go. I'm gonna have to like him up on Facebook and all this joint. Wow. He's impressive, man. Okay, Liquid, man. That was a fly track, man. I was definitely feeling it. Thank you for the suggestion, man. That was dope. Yeah, man. That was an interesting take on that beat. That's Ariana Grande beat that I heard from your song. And definitely, they went in on the lyricism and flow. They wrote the beat perfectly. They put a whole new spin on the song that I wouldn't have even thought of beforehand. So props to them. Props on using that beat, which is fire, by the way. It's props to Ariana Grande for singing on it, let alone these guys rapping on it. It's dope. But yo, till next time, this is JVK-Pop. I love you guys. Leave in the comments below anything you'd like to see me react to in the future. And also leave your feedback, how'd you feel about this song and this music video. Let me know what's up. Until next time, bye. Love you guys. Bye.